To my future employer, good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Grace Aquino, 41 years old, from Abinigamu, Isabela, Philippines. I'm a college undergrad, taking up Bachelor of Elementary Education. A single mom with 2 kids. My household chores is cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, cooking, and marketing. I have also experience of newly born baby as my work in Qatar for 4 years, and I know also how to take care elderly, like injecting insulin, giving their medicines, and giving also taking bath for them, and cooking for their food. And also I have experience in Kuwait before for 4 years as taking care also for elderly, uh, giving food, uh, giving medicines, and taking taking care also for them, and bringing in the hospital like that. And if you choose me, ma'am and sir, I assure you that I'm a loyal person, I'm a hardworking, and also a fast learner. If you choose me as your maid, I do my best to do and follow the work that you given to me. Thank you, ma'am, sir.